Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Odolena and I'm going to show you how to use remarketing audience for search. So this is a feature from Google which allows you to target people who have already been on your website and to remarket them when they are searching for your keywords. So combining search targeting with keywords and a remarketing list. So to do this, you have to take a campaign. I'm just going to choose one which I've been working on recently, which I have ready. So here I'm going to go to audiences and I'm going to click the little button for editing. So here I can choose whether I want to target or I want to have it on observation mode. As you can see, observation is recommended. This is because normally you would have an audience list which is functioning in the background of the campaign, and whenever someone from this list is searching for your keywords, you will bid higher. However, in the rest of the time, you will just bid as normally whatever strategy that you're using. If you choose targeting, this means that your ads are only going to show to the people from the remarketing list whenever they are searching. So as you can imagine, this is more rare combination, and especially if you don't have much traffic on your website, it might result into very rare clicks. But in my article, you can read more on whether this is an option for you, and there are some strategies that you can use. So here you can choose the list that you want. So you can choose an in-market segment, or you can choose a similar audience or remarketing list. I'm going to choose remarketing. I'm going to choose website visitors. You can here upload customer emails as well, or use a combination. In this case, I'm going to choose all users and I'm going to save it. And as you can see, Google says that this is too small audience to target on Google properties. So you need a bigger audience list. There will be at least 1,000 active members for our ads to show. Just to the sake of the example, I'm going to show you here if you are running your campaign manually. So if you're not using any automated bidding strategy like Target CPA or Target ROAS, you can adjust the bid from here. So you can increase or decrease depending on your wish. And you can set up, let's say, 50%, save it. And that's it. Now your list is going to function on observation in the background, and whenever someone from your users is searching for some of your keywords that you're bidding on, you will bid higher in order to appear first in the search results. This is all from me. Subscribe to my channel and I'll be posting more advice and tips in the recent weeks.